So let's just start with the bench, which is pretty dirty. Cat hairs, a few other things. And look, they even left a tip. They've had pets. Now we'll see what's in this one. Whoa. Now I'll just show you the bench area. It's pretty dirty. It's well used and it hasn't been cleaned regularly. Bit of work in there. Quite a heavy duty splashback. Lots of fat spots. Get the dishwasher done. Make sure we do the kick plates. We'll have a look inside. Yeah, it's not great. Okay, now before I do anything else, I'm just going to get the arrangement filters done. I like to get them done early, quite early, these ones. Now I've had success with the OzClean's oven power. It was really good, especially diluted with water. Definitely wouldn't use the oven cleaner on it, but I've used this before in another video. It worked really well. There's a much worse range hood cleaner where it works, so I expect this to be pretty easy. I'm just going to do it in the bath. Now let's set those aside. Most of the cleaning is going to be done with this. This is just dishwashing liquid in water. I use OzClean's dish power, it's good stuff. For the heavy duty stuff, such as the Splashback, which has got a lot of fat spots, we'll use Jif and a scourer, toothbrush. Oven will be done last. First thing I'll do is vacuum out the cupboards. See all that? It's all loose. If I wet that, it's just going to stick in the corners, it'll be annoying, so we're going to vacuum it first. That's now ready to be sprayed. I'm just going to do that for the rest of the drawers. Now I'm just going to pre-spray everything with the dishwashing liquid spray, just to help break it down, gets it started. So I'm going to literally do everything that has to be cleaned, right? Including the stove top and top of the range hood, all those kinds of things. And then we'll get stuck in for the cleaning. Now you don't have to, it's just something I've always done. So what I'm going to need to do now is start high, always start high, go low. So, yeah, ladder, wet cloth, drying cloth. Just keep the Jif handy just in case we need it for the cupboards, but it should be okay. So when you're cleaning in these, you've got to clean the top, the sides, the back, top of the shelves, and underneath the shelves. It's missed by a lot of people. If you can take them out, it makes the whole thing a lot easier. In this case you can't, it's secured in, so we just might get a few awkward situations as we do it. This one needs a little bit of Jif. While you got the ladder, and do the range hood, don't lean on it. They can fall off. Lean on the cupboard while you do it. It's pretty bad in here. I'm going to get a bit scrubby. We use some Jif, maybe the non-scratch scour on the tiles. Now, I'm not using anything different here. This is still the dishwashing liquid spray that we sprayed on them earlier. As you can see, it's all coming off. Generally in a dishwasher you've got to clean the edges, the top, inside edges. So the first thing to do is take the filter out. Usually just needs a twist. The whole lot comes out together. You just pull it apart. We'll do all that up in the sink though. That's the dishwashing liquid again. So this is a bit of a scuff mark. I like to use Jif, but you have to use it very carefully. I'm really doing it like this is so light. There you go. Now before we do the splashback, I'm just going to start this. Yeah, so they're really grimy. We're going to have to do that in the sink. So we're just going to pull it all apart. I'm just going to give it a little extra spray, particularly around those bits. And we'll just wipe all the crap out. One of the best things to do is just use some Jif with a toothbrush. Now before I get really into that, I need to go higher because we want to get the higher stuff first. Now this splashback is an elbow grease job. This is just Jif on a wet scour, right? I really just spread the Jif out to start. And by the way, now's a good time to do the underside of the range hood and the underside of the cupboard. Just need some water. Take care of this grout. It's hard yucca. It's got a whole lot of Jif on it now. You've really got to wash it off. That's just the thing of Jif. A really wet microfiber cloth, and we're going to wipe all the Jif off like that. See all the Jif? And we're going to finish it with another one. Then we're going to dry it. It should come up all sparkly. Okay, so it's all clean now. Now we've got a stove top to deal with. Better kick plate, give it a spray. Won't necessarily get everything off. We'll see how we go. It's a good idea to get right into the corners now. If you have to try and do that later with the mop, it's really hard. It's not bad, could be better. And in the aim of getting it better, Jeff on a scanner. That looks better. Let's finish this kitchen. Most of these just clip off, so we're going to clean that. Use Jeff to do these. Brings them up brand new. That's it for this kitchen. Check out the links in the description. If you get to see that oven clean, look for it. It was a hell of an oven clean. But otherwise, I'll give you a final look. Let's call it the after.
There you have it. If you think this video is good stuff, please tap the like button and share it with your friends. I'd love you to join me on this journey. Just tap on that face with the green circle to subscribe. Here's a couple more videos to check out. Thank you for watching and good luck with your cleaning.